Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Latina Marie. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and show some support. I would truly appreciate it. Make sure you turn on your notifications so you know when I am posting. Today is a Boxycharm unboxing. I don't know that I can really call it an unboxing this time because some of the makeup that I'm wearing is from this box. So I'm just going to tell you guys what I got, give you the prices of everything, and let you know what my opinion on it was and how I feel about the box this month. This month's theme is boxy and chill. This is super cute. I think with everything that's in this box, this is a pretty good title for the theme this month. I think, my opinion. It's just my opinion. I like the theme. It was cute. I will be honest, this is not my favorite box. This is my third box that I've received from Boxycharm since I've subscribed to them. I loved my November box. I absolutely loved my December box. This one, I was a bit disappointed just because there were things in here that I can use, but at the same time, I won't like gravitate towards. Like my Pretty Vulgar, I use that every single day. What else was in my box that I use all the time? My lip paint from Tarte that I use every day. I use my eyeliner that came in my first box. I use a lot of things that came in my other two boxes. This box, I don't see myself using that much. And actually some of the stuff that is in here, I can't use multiple times anyway. So I'll show you what I got and I'll explain as I go. The first thing that I got was this Briogeo. I don't know why I want to say Briogeo, but Briogeo is I guess a hair brand, but this is the it's a leave-in conditioner. I'm not going to try these words. It's a leave-in conditioner. I will say I do like this. I did not use it. I used it on my boys. They have really thick, curly, long hair. I'll try to find some pictures, some good pictures to post so you guys can see what they look like. But they have really thick curly hair, and after they took their shower last night, I sprayed this in their hair and it was really easy to comb through, and this morning it was really easy to manage and to get them ready for school and get them out of the door. Their hair is usually a thing that slows us down, and we didn't have to worry about that. So I will say that I do like this, and I may even invest in this. This bottle was $12, and I believe that this is not a full size bottle. So just so you know. Next we have the Oprah long lasting liquid lipstick. This is the first thing from Oprah that I've ever owned in my entire life, and I have to be honest, this is in the shade Miami Fever, which is the shade that I wanted. I saw other people's boxes here on YouTube. I will be honest, I like this lipstick. It is very comfortable to wear. I've had it on for about 3 hours now. And I went out in the rain and it lasts. It is long lasting. I absolutely like this. And I'll be honest, last night I had it on for a couple hours too while I had my face mask on. I cleaned my face and it's very long lasting, and you kind of have to like scrub it off. Like not like really scrub, but you gotta work it off. So this is a good lipstick. There's not really a scent to it. I love the color. I paired it with a chocolate lip liner like I pretty much always do, and I like it. I like the way it looks. It turned out really nice, so I like this product. Next we have a Tarte limited edition Rainforest of the Sea highlighting eyeshadow palette. So I will be honest, which I think a lot of people probably know, this is what it looks like. And I actually have a setting spray from that, the Rainforest of the Sea. I bought it, it was $15, and I like the setting spray. It works. I just went out in the rain and I did get a little wet and my makeup looks great. I did not retouch it. And I do like it, but it's an inconsistent spray. So Tarte, let's work on that. It's supposed to be a mist. Sometimes it comes out misty, sometimes it comes out like really watery, like a thick spray. It's an inconsistent spray. So like when you pump it. But this, I got the blue one, I guess. So I don't know why I was expecting to be able to use this by itself. Maybe because it retails for $36. So I will be honest. I like the palette. I'm wearing it on my eyes, but of course I had to pair it with other stuff, like another palette, which I guess is okay, but this is such a convenient size that I would just have loved for it to have convenient shades and colors in it. Like, I can't just use this by itself because I'm not a shimmery type person. I don't know. There we go. That's what mine looks like. And it's all shimmers except for that one. I accidentally touched it when my hand was dirty. But I love the colors that I use, the shimmers and whatnot, and the highlights on my eyes. It is a pretty palette. I do like it. I will reach for it occasionally, but when I saw everybody pulling them out, I was like, oh my gosh, that's a beautiful like size. That's a wonderful size for traveling and like on the go. Like if I'm rushing to go somewhere and I need to just throw some makeup in my purse. I was thinking that this was going to be that thing that I could just throw in my purse. It's got a mirror. It's compact. It's perfect size. And from a distance, it does look like this color could be a darker color, and like it looks like I have some really good colors in there and shades in there to be able to use, but they're just not. They're all shimmers or foils, and I don't rock with shimmers and foils like that. Like I don't just put them all on my eye by themselves. So like I couldn't have gotten this look with just this. So I was a little disappointed with that. Do I like it? I do. Will I grab for it like I do my Pretty Vulgar? Absolutely not. Absolutely not. But I do like it. I mean, it's nice to have in my collection, that's for sure. Next, we have the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Face Mask. And it came with two. It retails for $24. I don't know if that means that they both retail for $24, like $24 each, or $24, like $12 each, $24 together. This is what they look like. I had two. I used one last night, and I have to say I absolutely love this. I love the way that my skin felt afterwards. It felt so moisturized and so just luxurious. Like I love the way that this made my skin feel. I don't know that I would ever buy it again. $24 for two of these. I don't know. Maybe if I got $24 for five, maybe I'd invest in it, but I don't know. I don't know. I liked it. I do like it. It's just, I'm going to be real hesitant to use it again because I'm like, oh, I love it so much that I want to just know that it's always there. But I like it. And I will, but this is what I mean. Like some of the stuff that's in here, I can't just constantly use. I can't just keep reaching for this because I only got two of them. And I used one, so now I only have one of them. So, you feel me? So last but not least, we have the $1 Billion Brows Universal Brow Pencil. Now, I used this, but it didn't get my brows to look like this. I definitely had to go in with other products and get it to work. It shows that it's brown. Now, brown is not universal for me because my brows are pretty dark. They're not brown. And when you pull it out, it does look like it's pretty brown. And when I put it on my hand, it shows up pretty brown. I don't know if you can see that, but it shows up pretty brown. I'll do it on this side. It shows up pretty brown. It looks pretty dark on camera, but in person it is brown. But when I put it on my brows, they turn gray, and I don't know why. I was really confused. It turned my eyebrows gray. So I was really upset because I was really excited for this. And I know that a lot of people were saying that brown is not universal. So I was expecting for it to at least show up brown. And then that way, you know, I could use it to do everything I gotta do. And then I could just add a tiny, tiny, tiny bit of other product to like brow powder to darken it up. Nah. This didn't do anything. This turned them like gray, like a light gray. Like it just looked weird. I wish I would have recorded putting it on, using it, applying it, because it turned gray. I did not like that at all. This is not a universal brow pencil. This is like this. I mean, Why would you even need to put a shade on it if it's universal, you know? I mean, what about people whose brows are red or jet black? Like, mine ain't jet black, but I don't know. I guess this will only work for old ladies with grays. This did not work for me. I have to say, I was really disappointed in this box because I thought that it was going to, you know, start the year off with a bang. I was excited for it, but there's just too many disappointments. The lipstick is really the only thing that I will probably reach for like once or twice a week. I didn't like it. My neighbor got a box as well. We pretty much got the same thing. She just got Havana Nights lipstick instead of Miami, whatever I got. What shade did I get? Miami Fever. I got Miami Fever. She got my Havana Nights. I should have asked her if I could use it so I could see how it looked, but she wanted to trade. But I actually love this color, and again, I love the product. So Oprah, I've been debating about trying Oprah products because I don't know, it just seems like it's really expensive. Like everybody just, how much was that lipstick? I didn't even tell you that lipstick retails for $20. So that is pretty expensive to me. L'Oreal and Maybelline have these same sizes for $8 or $9. So when you put it up to $20, but then again, I love the way that this feels on my lips. But I love the way that the Maybelline and L'Oreal feels too. So I don't know. I like it. I want to try more Oprah products. I've been dying to get Oprah products, and when I heard that that was in there, I got really excited. So yeah, but I don't know, you guys, this was not my favorite box. I'm looking forward to February. I'm thinking that February should be super cute because of Valentine's Day, but I don't know. I was thinking that this was going to be super dope because of it being the first month of the year, but I was wrong. So I don't know. I'm thinking about signing up and paying for the Luxy box, the Boxy Lux, the bigger box. It comes with like 8 products, but I don't know. I might do that once or twice. I don't know why it comes only 3 times a month, or 3 times a year. Wait, once every 3 months. That's what it is. I was getting that all mixed up. But so let me know what you guys think. This was not my favorite box. Again, I've my 2 first experiences of Boxycharm were my favorite. This was a flop for me, but I'm not giving up on it. You know, every month can't be my favorite, you know. So if you guys like this video, let me know with a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that button. I love you all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.